Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. So yesterday we tried to embed a YouTube video and it refused to be embedded. So I made some few mistakes, but it's okay. So today we're going to try and embed this video again. So you come here to add blocks, type in embed. You can embed very many things. You can embed WordPress site, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, SoundCloud, Spotify, all those. But I'm going to embed the YouTube video. So after doing that, you have to come here and search for what you embed, and then you right click here and then copy link address and come and paste the link address here, then embed. So boom, it has embedded it. So I'll update and I preview changes. So the reason why it is appearing big, it is because we haven't changed our theme, but I want us first to create many posts so that we fill our website. So after creating many posts, we shall change our theme and it will look nice. So you don't need to worry about that. So you can see like the video is embedded here. So here you're saying Bayern demolishes Barcelona, and here you put the match highlights for people to watch. So let's create another post. You can come here, add new, then post. Before we create another post, let's first create these other categories here: sports, campus rumors, entertainment, health, national news, and tech. So to create another category, you come here to categories and then add new. So I'll add another one called tech. Then I'll add campus rumors. Then I'll add entertainment. Then I'll add health. The other one, national news. I'll untick this. So basically we have health category, entertainment category, campus rumors, tech, national news, sports. I think I'm missing one. Which one? I think that's it. So you can create as many categories as you want. So this time we are going to create a post about health. So let's go now Google. You don't need to stress your head, and then type in health news. And then top health news. So we shall just copy this. How sleep cleanses your brain. Copy the heading, Ctrl C, come over here, paste it there. Can remove this and come over here and copy the other text, sleep. Okay. Yes, I'm copying that. Let's see, come and over, paste it here, and then come over to document. We want to add, so we are going to, when you're doing a post, you must assign it to a category. If you want to assign it to a category, it won't be appearing anywhere. So basically it will appear, but will appear as uncategorized, but it would be good you assign it. So you come and assign it to health, and then you slope down. For instance, you want to add a featured image about health, set a featured image. If you want these nice images, you can go to pixabay.com. There are tons of free images there. You can download various images you want from this site free of charge. You see, nice images. So I'm going to upload an image about health. I'll upload this. Then you can allow comments. Then I'll publish. There's another thing I wanted to show you guys. For instance, you want to link this word research to something, like you want to link it to a document outside. So you highlight it and then press this link, and then I'll go this side, I'll type it in research. Maybe I wrote something about research. So I'll just come and copy that. Maybe this is my website. Maybe I'm just assuming. I'll come and paste it here, and then you want it open in a new tab. Yes, you click here. Then if you want to save, click there. So I'll update, and I'll preview changes. So you see the heading, how sleep cleanses your brain, and then when I click on research here, it will take me to a new page. So basically there are very many features you can do there. You can add a gallery. Let's go back here. You can add a paragraph, you can add an image. For instance, you want to add an image here, another image. You see, add an image here, and you can say upload. I won't have, maybe I will just add this as an example. Then you can reduce the size if you want. Like that. So basically there are tons of features here you can do with this. Just need to keep doing what you're doing. So we're going to add another new post, and this time it's going to be on entertainment. So we shall go and search on our browser entertainment news. Click on that first one. This one. Control C. this, paste it here. Quite small. So I'll add the dummy text lorem. So basically I'm going to first pause and then I'll let you create posts. But what you have to remember, when you create a post about something, you have to come and click on document and then you assign it to the post you're typing. Maybe you're doing entertainment, you have to assign it to that. So I'm going to pause for a few minutes and then when I'm back we shall go to the next chapter. I hope you guys are done with creating all your posts. As you can see, my posts are created, all of them. So we are going to head over to our next chapter. So we are going to go over to appearance, themes, and we are going to add new. So we are going to be using this theme, which is a free theme, news card. This one. So I'm going to press install. Installing. I could pause. So when it's done installing, you press activate. It's activating. You can dismiss this and this. So we are going to delete this one, the 2017 theme. Also to be clean. This also. So let's visit it and see how it looks like now. Boom, you see, very nice. For your site to be like this, you must have created all the posts. You have to filter out of posts. It is very nice. So what we are going to be creating now, let's go to this page and I show you. We are going to be creating this, our home page, blog page, and these categories. So let's head over to that. Head over to your dashboard. Pages, add new. So shall give it a title of home. I'll publish. So let's view our page and how it looks like. So we don't want this title to appear here, home page. So what are we going to do to that? We are going to say edit page. Come over here to page attributes, choose front page element, then update. So when we preview that again, it doesn't appear. So our next thing, what we're going to do is we don't want this slash home to appear again. So we shall go to dashboard. We shall go to our dashboard here and then to reading. Then you you click here, click static page, then we shall choose home. So when we visit our site again, there is no slash home, and then we go back to the home page. Boom. So next we are going to be creating our blog page. So I'll type in blog, and then I'll come here to document, and then still I will choose front page template, publish. Then when we visit our site, boom, and then go back to dashboard, and then go back to settings, reading. So we also want to choose our post page as a blog. So you click save changes. Now the other thing we want to change is we want our home page to appear first here. So what are we going to do? We are going to go back to our dashboard, appearance, menus. So you see we don't have any menu created, so I will just create main menu, and then I'll add the home page first, and I'll add the blog, and I'll save. So we shall have to choose a menu location, and we shall have to choose display as primary, the primary location. And then let me first save and I show you what I want to do. I'll open this in a new tab. These ones are not pages, they are categories. And how do we add them here? So let's go back to our menu. We shall add them to our main menu. You come here and type in main menu and say create, then you save. Then you come here to categories. You tick all of them here. Tick, add to menu. So these ones don't need to create them because you already created them the other side in the posts. So you just come here and add them and then save menu. So the difference between these ones are not pages, they are categories. So let me show you. So when I refresh here, you see they appear here. So when I click on sports, they will give me sports category only. You see, they will give me the sports categories I posted. And when I go on tech, they will show me technology. Entertainment, they will show me entertainment. Health, they will show me health. National news, they will show me national news. So let's go back to the home page. So our next thing we're going to be doing, we are done with this, it is okay. We are going to be creating our next menu. We are going to be creating this over here. So we want this to appear in our footer. This is like a footer. So you go back to menus, and then over here create new menu, and then we shall give it footer 1, create menu. And then we shall have to go back to our we shall have to create those pages. Go to pages, and then we want to create this about us, gallery, categories, and recent posts. So basically we shall only have to create this. So basically we wanted to create our footer, this footer here, you see here, this one, about us, gallery. So what you have to do, you have to come back to the dashboard, head over to appearance, then widgets. So you see footer 1. So in footer 1 we shall display text. So we select footer 1, add widget. So under footer 1 we want to display about us. So our first footer we have added. You come here over to Title and then type in about us, and then in the visual you type in any text you want. So and then you save. So under footer 2 we shall be adding a gallery. So we have our gallery here. You add it to footer 2. So you name it gallery. So after creating a title, you say add images. So you choose images you feel like you want to add. I'll add that one. Insert. Then I'll save. So let's refresh and see how it looks like. So when we slope down we see about us, and then gallery. So the third widget we shall be adding categories. So you go to categories here on top, you add category to the third, add widget. So you name it categories, and then you can show posts per account, anything you feel like. I'll show posts per account and save. And when I refresh this page, they'll be showing me this one there, posts per account. So our next widget we shall be inserting recent posts. So you look for th recent posts, this one here, and then add it to footer column 4, add widget, and then you give it a title, recent posts. You can decide which number of posts you want it to display. Me, I want it to display 4, so I'll just click save. And when you head over back to this, boom, it is showing recent posts. So let's go back on top and see. Remove this. Let's visit again. See our popular stories, things you might have missed, then our footer. Let's go back to see our blog, and then our sports, everything seems to be fine. Health is okay. So our next chapter, we are going to start customizing. So we are going to click on customize. So for if you want to put a site logo, you come over here to site identity, you select the logo. I won't be uploading any logo. Maybe if you want a logo, you can how to make a website logo. So you see there are very many results here. You can click here on free logo design, and then so that's for the people who want the logos, but I won't be making a logo. So one more thing we're going to do is, let's first open one story and see what I want. Let me show you what I want. So when we open one story here, we don't see our featured image. Like our featured image is supposed to appear here when we open that post, but it doesn't appear. So let's first sort that. Go to customize. So you will look for news card settings. Where is news card settings? If you want your featured image to appear, news card settings. Then you take set featured image, show featured image in a single post. Then every time you do a change, you must publish, so as in case maybe you forget, your things are saved. So let's go back and see if this has worked. So I'll go back to our home page, and when I click on one story, see our featured image appears. This is the featured image. It appears this time. So let's go back to customize. That one is sorted. So guys, what we're going to be doing next is we want to, if you want this main stories to be showing a particular category of news, you can do that. You can come here over to banner, and then banner settings, and then maybe you want this banner to be showing only on the home page, so you click that. So when when we go to the blog page, the banner is not there, you see. So that, I think that's better. That's more better. So you publish, and the next thing you want to do is when you go to social slide, these main stories, you can also make these main stories show a particular category of news. You come here and show latest sports category from, then you choose the category you want. Maybe you want it to show only entertainment, but me, I'll leave it to show all latest sports because it's a main, and I'll publish. And then you go to featured post slide 1. If you want the editor's pick to show a particular category, you can also change that, choose the category, but I'll also leave it to default. And then same applies to featured post slide 2. If you want the trending stories to be showing a particular category of news, you can also do that. Choose the category you want it to show, but for me, I'll leave it to that also. But if you want, you can change it. Okay, publish. So what we are going to be doing next is we are going to, you see this site, the colors are different from this. So we are going to have like CSS file. I'll be putting it in the description. If you want, you can change the colors, you can change the design. You see when I click here, it changes to red, but this one doesn't. This one changes to that, but I want it to be like this. So I'll go over to my CSS file, desktop, CSS. Basically CSS, CSS, like, it gives a new look to the website, like additional features you add to the website. I'll press Ctrl A. I like using this example. It's like a woman without makeup, so when she makes up, she becomes more pretty. So this is CSS. So I'll go and add additional CSS, and I'll slope down here, and I'll press Ctrl V, and I'll publish. So basically, if I don't want to jump into this CSS, like to confuse you guys, because this is basically WordPress. Maybe in the future I'll be doing a tutorial about CSS and HTML. Those are different languages, and here we're just using WordPress. So CSS just changes the look and feel of a website. Yeah, so it changes the appearance. As let me first remove this and I show you. So you see how it has changed. This has changed to blue color, and this has changed to blue color also. Let's go to the home page. See, everything has changed. The font, these, they have all changed. But if you don't want these colors, let's go back to additional CSS. The top bar is this one here, you see over here. So if you want to change that color of the top bar, you go to hex colors, here, hex color codes, So you see all these colors, you just choose the color you want. Maybe you want this. You come there and copy it, Ctrl C, and then you come over here, Ctrl V. You see it has changed. So let me publish. See, now it has now changed. So when you slope down to the navigation bar, so this is the navigation bar. If you want to change this color also, you go back to hex colors and you choose any color of your choice. Hex colors again. Maybe you want which color? Maybe you want this. So what you have to do is just copy this code here, Ctrl C, and then paste it over here. So I won't be changing the rest of the things. I'm just showing you a guide of how you can okay, this is like a guide of how you can change these colors if you don't want. So we shall go back to our home page. So guys, our next thing is going to be this. We want to display this spots, and then we want to display all this. We want to display these spots and these ones, and decide on the spots, and then we also want to display entertainment like this, and then take, and then that is, I think, because if you go to our page, they are not there. You see, from the main stories, popular stories, you said it's not there. So basically that what we want, those just want to add there after the popular stories. So you go back to customize, then you head over to widgets, and then you select front page content section, then you add the widget. So we want to add the horizontal, add it. So I'll put spots. So I don't want it to show latest spots, I want it to show only spots. So I'll publish. So when you go back, so when you go back and check, it looks like that. So let's go back and customize. So let's do some few changes. Go back to widgets, front page content section, edit this. So let's make it horizontal style. Then we do X. So it's a little bit better. So reason why it's appearing in the middle because we haven't added other content. So when you add other content, it will look nicer. So you don't need to worry about that. So go back to customize. So go back to widgets. Where is widgets? Widgets. Then so we are going to go back to front page content section, then add widget. So we shall be adding this time block. So under block we shall be adding which one? Take. And I want it in, then I want it to show only take. Then I'll publish. Then I also want it to be block style, and I'll publish. So our next one we shall be adding vertical. Then so this time I'll add health. So I'll make it horizontal. Then I'll show only posts from the health category. Then I'll publish. So let's go back and see the changes. You see the changes now. So you see we still have space here, but we shall be working, we shall still have the spaces here, but we shall be rectifying that. So go back to customize. Go back to so we go back to widgets, the first one, add another block. Let's add blocks again. This time around we shall be adding spots. I want it to show only spots. Publish. See the health is there now. So you see our space is still there. So to remove this space, we shall go back to widgets. To remove this space here, we shall go back to widgets. So go back to customize. Head over to widgets. Yeah, widgets. And this time we're going to use this one. Widget. So this time I shall add the vertical post. So you can add anything. I'll put spots again. Then give it a category. And I publish. Let's view the changes and see. So after adding our spots inside, you see now how it has changed, and then it looks more better. It's far much better. Maybe what I can do, because there is spots here, I will put another category here. Let me see which category will fit. Maybe I'll put health. So let's go back to customize. Head over to widgets. The second one, front page slide sidebar section. Edit this one. Maybe I'll put entertainment. Entertainment. And I want it to show entertainment. And I'll publish. So when we go back and see the changes, it's far much better. Because that time we had a repetition of spots here, and then it was so ugly. That's far much better. So guys, if you want, you can add in more widgets. So what we are going to do, we are going to add another widget, this one here. If I go to my demo, I want to add this one, recent posts. So you go back to widgets, where are you? Here, go back to the second option, front page sidebar section, add widget, then you type in recent. So we shall be using this one, th recent posts, and you give it recent posts. How many posts do you want it to display? I want it to display only 4 posts. So I just publish that and publish that. Then when I go back, boom, to showing recent posts. So guys, what we are going to be doing next is we want, because this theme is a free one, you can't remove this, like theme made by theme host. Forgive me, my I don't want this thing to appear here, powered by WordPress. So to do that, you head over to dashboard, appearance, where is theme editor, I understand. Then we shall look for footer.php, here footer.php. So guys, here you don't need to make any mistake, you have to follow me critically. I'll be posting the footer code in the description below. So you head over to line 134. So you put these backslashes there. So these backslashes, when you put them there, this one won't be read there, so it will be made a comment, like it won't appear. So it's like we are disabling this news card author link. So when I update it, and this site, and I this site, you see we're only having our site title here. So let me head over to my footer code, footer HTML code. Then you just have to copy this, Ctrl C. Don't worry, let me make it bigger, but I'll also be posting it in the description below, the CSS and the footer HTML. So head back to the footer, edit, dashboard, appearance, theme editor, footer.php, go back to line 134. So after this echo, you create more space by pressing enter, and then you Ctrl V. So let me make this more neat, push this here and this. So basically here you can put any link of what you want. I put my YouTube link, and then I put my name here. So let me update and I'll show how it works. Update file. So basically this is the link of the author, the person who designed the website, and his name or her name. So when I visit the site here, let me slope down. So you see it's made by Amanya Marvin, and the site title is here, copyright. So when I click on Amanya Marvin, they will take me to his or her YouTube page. So basically on that link you can put, let us go back, you can put your website, your personal website, your Facebook page, anything. So let's make it our last tour of the website and see if everything is kawa or fine. I think everything is fine, guys. When we head over to our blog, we see our blog posts. When we head over to the sports category, it's also kawa. Tech, also kawa. Entertainment, health, national news, Let's go back to the home page. Let's open a single category of news. So nice. We're back to the home page. So one more last thing I wanted to show you guys. First, we're doing is WordPress websites offline, and then just for learning purposes. Maybe in the future, if you guys learn, you can start buying domain names and then everything and hosting. So for instance, you're done with this, you log out. Let's visit this site as normal people. As visitors, okay. So you see here. So for instance, you want to log in again. Most people might have gotten problems to re-log in. So you just type in this yp/admin. So you type in localhost, then the folder name stroke WordPress stroke slash localhost / your folder name and stroke WordPress slash WordPress slash yp admin. So it will bring you this. So I'll put in my password. So guys, it has logged in successfully. So guys, this is the end of my tutorial about creating a news website or a blog or anything which posts news or stories. So guys, if you have any questions, I'm always online. You can put your comments below in the description. Comment and then like this video, subscribe for more. Thank you.